Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my fluid art channel. Today I'll be demonstrating how I created this painting using the Leaky cup from Massey Art Studios. Very cool new tool that they just released, and I'm really happy with the results. So at the end of the video, I'll give you a close-up of both the wet and the dry results. And in the description will be a list of all of the colors that I used and any hints or tips for the technique. So if you like this video or enjoy the content, please feel free to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what you thought, and maybe even share on your social media pages. Thanks a lot, and please enjoy.
It didn't take more than a second for you to turn a whole world upside down. Turn this big boat back around. Had you been watching and waiting from someplace up above, somehow knowing in this place, all these people, I'll find love. And I cannot wait to get to know you, to help you ease the troubles on your mind, to walk by your side, holding your hand in mine. I'll treasure that for as long as I'm alive. You're welcome here, welcome here. Our hearts you hold hostage, that much is clear. You are most welcome here. You already have a way with people, but your old man has yet to find. Please stay as gentle and kind. Oh, and none of us can wait to get to know you better, to see who lives behind those blues. And on your first day, doing anything new, we will always be right there with you. You're welcome here, welcome here. Our hearts you hold hostage, that much is clear. You are most welcome here. Welcome here. Our hearts been taken hostage by the sweetest little deer, and you are most welcome here.
Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Holy crap. This, oof, wow. I am so happy with that. Wow. Okay. Let's torch that off again. This is, wow, this is freaking cool. I'm so tempted to fix that center tip. Just like that. Wow, that turned out so good. These lines got a little wonky, but I actually like that. It looks really cool. Makes the whole thing more organic looking. So that violet deep is so pretty. A bit more of that. A lot more of that. Wow. This is a good overhead view. And then I'm just going to take you right into the center here. Those details stay in focus as I go. Look at that kind of inner flower, the way it glows. That is so beautiful to me. Let's see if I can come in this way. There we go. Wow. Look at those drips. Oh my God, the layers it made. This is amazing. And those fine lines continue all the way out into the larger petals. Look where all those colors have mixed right there. Beautiful. Look at that right there where the violet deep and the gold and the pearl white are mixing. Oh wow, so pretty. Look at those fine, fine gold lines. Oh, look at that right there. This is beautiful. I really am very happy with this one. Anyway, so there we have it. Outside so we could get some better lighting, so we could get a good close-up of the details here and kind of the inner glow on this painting. I really am just stunned by the center of this. It's so beautiful. I love all the details. I love these lines coming down here from the back or from the corner. So this is the lower left corner, at least in this orientation. That metallic or pearl blue, it really has some good shine. I'm not sure if you can see that, but has great reflective qualities to it. So does the pink, actually. But the lines kept their definition. I really like the way some of the colors blended and reacted with each other. So overall, I'm very happy with this result. And yep, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.